All right. It's that time again, folks. That's right, you in the rear. You guessed it. Yard and garage sailing. So if you're into that sort of content, head over to your fridge, grab out your favorite beverage, head on back to your screen, and enjoy the show. Because it's looking like another day in paradise out here. Aw, yeah. Let's get it. All right, there it is, on the right. Just leaving that sail. Nothing great. On to the next one. We go. Shout out to the birds.
Have an electrical cord out if you need to.
Oh, okay. All right, you have a good one.
All right, thanks for stopping.
You got it. All right, yard sale right here on the left. Damn it, this guy almost fucking crashed into me. Let me turn around, park on that side. It's looking like shit over there anyway, too. But whatever. Shout out to the guy with a rifle in the garage. Wish me luck. All right, glad I left there alive. These guys are crazy. Shout out to the seahorse. Good morning.
That's for your computer so you can draw.
That's what it is, okay.
Yeah, I've never used the fucking thing. It's too old, I think.
Oh. Guys having fun?
Yeah. Be a little more fun, has more customers to ride maybe.
There you go. What's this thing? For the bike?
What is this, Frank?
What's that?
This thing?
Yeah, that's a bicycle kit.
That's what it is. Okay, it goes in the back of like where the seat is?
Yeah,
Gotcha.
it's got a ratchet and everything in it that fits the...
Gotcha. Okay, nice. Getting humid out here.
Yeah, it's getting there. Yeah.
All right, guys, have a good one. Thank you.
We are moving to South Carolina in 2 weeks. Yeah.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's going to become a game time.
The stadium is only 2 miles from the house.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's Sean roots of the SEC, but now Florida plays.
You see you have 2 urinals right here.
I know. And you know what? A lady came up yesterday and she said, "Oh, I need to get these for my husband. He loves the gators." Really? So those are gorgeous.
That's not a cheaper gator.
I know. I said.
Good morning.
Yeah, hi.
How you doing? How you doing today?
You do it myself.
Can't complain. Another day in heaven.
Yeah. As long as it'll hold off raining for a little while, I'll be fine.
Right? Yeah.
Alright, it wasn't that big of a day today, so let's get right into it. First things first, this nice used pot. I thought it was pretty cool. I bet you my plants are going to love it. So shout out to the cactus that's going to go in there. Old school Feli hat with a Velcro in the back. By the way, if you see anything that you like, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at. Full time. At full throttle. Anyways, that's the hat. Old school HP compact laptop. This thing is dirtier than dirt. You see that in there? Yeah. Alright, look at that. Horrible. You might be asking yourself, why did you pick it up? Well, I picked it up because I need parts. So I always look for parts. Okay, put that off to the side. Next thing is this paper cutter. Did I say it right? I picked it up because it's made in Germany. I have another one here. That one's a very good brand as well. I forgot what it was, but I guess can't go wrong with two of them. Another camcorder. This one is a high 8. And I always pick these up. In case you guys didn't know, I do a lot of file transfer, like cassettes, VCRs, cassette tapes, basically, into DVDs. Speaking of DVDs, I also ended up grabbing this huge lot. Why? Because that's the thing I do. But that is up for grabs. Not much, guys, not much. Usually I don't grab this old hardware, but this one is not that old. It's still compatible with Windows Vista. People do use Windows 7 still, so that's a $100 program, so it still works good. This thing's really cool. This thing's old, vintage, Mary and Jesus, and how it's inlaid in there. You can pick it up. Pretty cool. This thing is cool. I gotta look this up. Alright. That's an oddball. Just an anime. Never seen it. Never will see it, but I picked it up. That there is not a pen. It's one of those picks. It's not for your teeth, but I guess you can use it for your teeth. But great for little projects. That's why I picked it up. And the knives. Finally, I got some knives. Alright, first things first. By Aqualung. It's in really rough condition. But it's not chipped. Other than the tip is not that great. That's nothing. And here are the specs on it. Not specs, but a little bit of information. What do we have here? Japan stainless steel. There's the patent number. Solid. Sheath is overall in pretty good condition as well, as you can see. Shout out to the Salt Life. To the left of that, nice little mini cleaver. I like how it drops like that. So, and it's made in Japan. Sheep's foot design. Cool little knife. To the left of that, got a Western USA. What does that say? Oops, sorry about that. Here you are. And There we go. Come on. Yeah. There it is. There's the info on that. Nice little fillet knife. Tip's a little bent, but that's nothing. Easy fix. Let me switch hands over here. Alright. So here I have a case knife. High carbon steel, of course. Another case knife. I like this one personally. The shape of it. High carbon steel. And my favorite. And why is it my favorite? Because I was born in Portugal, and this is a Portuguese knife. This reminds me of my grandfather when he used to come down to the States and cut his tobacco and smoke it on the corn husk. Shout out to you, Grandpa. Wherever you're at.